how to draw on a picture using Facebook Messenger so that you can show something for the other person. So select a person, that one is of this phone, take a picture using the camera, that camera sign down there. I will lift it up and press the record button. Okay, just a weird picture. Now send that picture to the other phone, press the blue arrow. The picture should be sent here. Tap on Facebook Messenger icon, select the person which wrote to you, that one in this case. That picture was sent to this phone. Now tap on that picture, and up here we have the pencil sign. Tap on the pencil. We have the line which is called brush. Tap on the line so that you can draw lines. And now, let's say you want to mark something, just make a shape. Or you can draw, let's say, an arrow. At that point, there is something interesting. Then send the picture to the other phone using the blue arrow. The picture arrived. Wake up that phone. There's the picture. Unlock the phone. And the picture arrived. So that's the original picture, and that's the modified picture with something highlighted on it. Pay attention to that zone of the picture, or whatever. Replace that part from an object. Now if you long tap on it, go to the 3 horizontal lines, more. Now you can remove it. Remove. That removes it only from this phone. If you long tap on that one, because this was sent there. Now at the 3 lines you have unsend. Unsend for everyone. Unsend for everyone. And now it disappeared from there also. Since this phone sent that picture to that one, now from here at more, the 3 lines, from there you can unsend the picture. Unsend for everyone. Okay, so that's how to draw on a picture using Facebook Messenger.